Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. The NF8020 has got great attention since they were launched in the August. This model has both leather strap version and the stainless steel strap version. And today we prepare an unboxing video to introduce you more details about this model, and then here we go. Okay, now first let's take a look at the NAVIFORCE, the watch box, the black inner and the outer box here. Okay, you can see the box is with the silver logo here, which is quite textured. Okay, here is the instruction manual and the guarantee card. The warranty period is for 1 year. And the instruction manual is quite details for you to adjust your new watch. Now let's see the watch that we will unbox today. Here is the watch. This watch, the NF8020, adopts a quality Chinese quartz chronograph movement, and the caliber is the PE903. Now let's look at the back side. From the back side, you can know the model number of this watch, and the material of the case back is stainless steel material, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. Okay, and here the glass, the watch glass here, it makes use of the hardened mineral glass so that it is quite scratch resistant and very durable to use. Okay, then let's see the parameter of this model. The case diameter of this model is 46 millimeter, and I see some fans want to know the lug to lug of the model. So here, let's check out this. Here you can see the lug to lug of this model is about 54 millimeter. Okay, and the thickness of this watch is 14 millimeter. Now, pay attention that the case. Just now we thought that the case back is made of stainless steel material, and the watch case is made of zinc alloy material. Okay, then let's move on to the dial design details. As you can see, the most captivating the design details has to be the 3 motorcycle inspired, the subdials 1, 2, 3, and the subdials at the 6 and the 12 o'clock are just like the wheels of a motorcycle. And you can see the inner loop design around the numerals markers. Is more like a racetrack, and the 4 numeral markers 3, 6, 9, 12 are just as the supply point of a race. Since this is a chronograph watch, and we adopt here the tachymeter design on the bezel. Here you can see the bezel, which can help you record the speed. Quite helpful. The overall model shows a sense of dynamic. You can see. Okay, the stainless steel strap. Okay, you can see the design. The total length of this watch is 245 millimeter, and the strap is with nice quality. And the center link here you can see is designed with a racetrack pattern. So funny. And you can see the buckle. Very convenient and comfortable. And just now we talked about that this watch also has the leather strap version. So here, then you can see this model with the leather strap version, that the total length of this watch is the 260 millimeter. Okay, you can see the strap with nice quality leather material, and this you can see easy adjustable pin buckle, and the buckle is with very nice quality, and this watch is also very convenient and comfortable to wear. And I like the stitching details, the hand stitching on the leather strap. I like it very much, and it adopts the same color as the strap, so harmonious. And now let's see all the colors of this model of the stainless steel version. And you can see there are 6 colors here. Okay, the first one is the golden blue. It is with the blue dial and the golden subdials, and the strap, the center links. Very cool, right? And the second one is the solid gold. The whole watch is glittering with the lights, very captivating and stunning in the crowd. Okay, the third one is quite usual, and it is with the black dial and the silver and white subdials. The fourth one is the silver blue. It is with the silver locks and the blue dials. And the loop design is yellow, quite captivating. Okay, the fifth one is the silver green. It is with the silver stainless steel strap and the dark green dial and the black bezel. Very cool. Okay, the last one color of this model is the rose gold black. It is with the rose gold lux and the subdials and with the black strap and the bezel. Okay, now then we come to the latest strap version of this model. As you can see, there are also 6 colors here. Okay, the first one color is the silver green. It is with the silver lux and the bezel and the green dials and the leader strap. Do you think this is dark green or the light green, like the grass? I think it is between them. Okay, it's also with the dynamic yellow, quite catching eyes. Okay, the second one here is the silver black. It is with the silver lux bezel and with the black dials, but the strap is used to the khaki colors. It's a little light brown and orange. Then the third one is the rose gold coffee. It is with the rose gold lux and crown and the coffee brown, the leader strap and the dials. Okay, the fourth one is the silver gray. It's with the silver lux and the black bezel and the gray dials, and the strap is quite special. It's like a kind of the gray and brown, the combination, the colors. And the fifth one is the golden black. It is with the black leader strap and the black dial with the golden lux. The golden bezel and the crown and the silver lux. And last one, we come to the silver blue. It is with the silver lux and the blue dial, and quite captivating is the strap. Is used the contrasting color. Is the orange leader strap, and you can see the dial at the 9 o'clock position. And the hands here is orange. So cool and funny. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF8020 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.